Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube app. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile image. You click on it, then you gotta go up where you see the settings wheel icon on the top right corner. You click on it and then you want to click on general. You click on general settings and you gotta find a special section which says appearances. Okay, it's right over here. Now you can switch through different device option appearances between light theme, dark theme, and you can use the device theme, which means if you already preset your phone to operate on the lock screen or on the home screen as a dark theme, the app simply will match your phone settings. It is very easy, and sometimes these appearances works perfectly when you actually not match your home screen, simply because if you are on the dark space and if you have your home settings on the phone automatically defaulted on the dark theme, you will need much brighter YouTube experience. As you can see over here, if you're in dark space, this will be much more helpful and much more visible. Another way around works perfectly fine, considering that sometimes you might need a dark theme, right? Because the light is bothering you. It might be a lot of glare, a lot of reflections, and your essential default theme on the phone is a light theme, right? So you want to make sure that you find what works best for you in any conditions. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.